Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Air Arabia credit voucher. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in airarabia.com. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Air Arabia credit voucher. So first of all, visit the website and search for a new flight. So here when you go to search, you can go and put in the new flight. You can put where you're going from. So let's say we're going from here. We're going to, let's say, put in two destinations, of course. Let's say we're going to something like this, or we're gonna go to, let's say, here. Then put in the departure, when, until, and when you want to go. So one way, search for the booking. Now you're gonna go and find the flight. As you can see, it's loading your flights, and here we have the flight. Now you need to select the flight which you of course want, select everything, and at the end when you go to payment, so here we're gonna enter the passenger details. Of course, I'll not be doing this for my privacy reasons, but there you can of course add your private, enter the passenger details. Then you'll get to check in, where you can go and add your of course voucher, click redeem, and then if you of course get the price off, then it means that you got everything right. Also, you can log into Air Rewards and earn up to 10% cashback, as you can see here, for every purchase. So keep that in mind also. That's a cool addition for getting money. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.